Hi there, this is Lucy with WTI, and this is my new UV umbrella. This umbrella is perfect for two people. As you can see, my husband and I love strolling down on a sunny day without having to worry about a suntan. You're going to absolutely feel refreshed once you're under this umbrella, even though the weather outside may be 90 degrees. Also, for all of those multitaskers out there, there's one button you can control with one hand. Automatic buttons always help when you're trying to multitask. And what I loved about this umbrella is it's got reflectors. So if you're outside on a dark night, you don't have to worry about cars not seeing you. Finally, this strap is so super easy to wrap around your umbrella and simply put away. So, with that said, this is my new go-to umbrella for when it's sunny or when it's raining. And that's my point of view.